just a quick little video. I just got this new mold. It's so cute. It's little like jewel pendants. They're kind of small, but I want to give it a try, and I want to make it like jewel tones. So this, I'm using Magic Resin. I'm actually using the deep casting. Probably don't need to for this, but that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to go with, I've got Let's Resin, sparkles, and dye. So I'm just kind of trying to make something that looks like, you know, rubies and emeralds and sapphires. So I've got some sparkles in, some glitter powder from Let's Resin in sapphire blue, and red and green. Oh, there's a little bit left, but let's see what we do here. So I've got the glitter in already. And so I'm going to put in, I want it to be fairly vivid. You can put up to 10% by volume of any pigment into your resin without hurting the curing of it. So just kind of winging it here. I just wanted to try this new mold. Okay, let's mix that up and see what we get. Ooh, pretty color. Woo. It looks nice. Can you see? It looks beautiful. Ooh, I hope this works. I hope the glitters don't all sink. They don't look like they are. Okay, I'm just looking to see what, ooh. The deep casting resin is it's much thinner. I don't want these two. Okay, so let's do one of these and this. I don't want to overflow the thing, so, and then I can stir with that guy. I think I'll do one of these little ones. Okay, I'm going to do a few of these little jewelry things. Okay, so we shall see what we get. Okay, we're about 48 hours later. Let's see what we got. Let's see. This is the deep casting resin. So it's a little bit softer. So it's still not completely hard, but it's certainly hard enough to take out of the molds, and then I can just, oh, pretty. I can just leave it sit for, that's pretty. Pretty. Ooh, that one looks, oh, this is the one, I think this is one, yeah, that all there's no dye in it, no resin dye, it's just pure sparkles. Oh, that's going to be nice. I'll have to clean it up a little bit. Can you see? Oh, yeah, that's pretty. So let's see what, I want to see what these turned out like. Looks like all the sparkles went to the bottom, but that might be okay. Yeah, those are pretty. Yeah, those are nice. They're nice. Let's see what this little blue one looks like. Nice mold. Mold works good. Oh, it's kind of a triangle. It's kind of a... Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's see what this green one looks like. Oh, pretty. That'll make such a pretty little pendant. Nice. Yeah, they turned out pretty good. Let's see what this guy looks like. Pretty. Oh yeah. Nice. And so that's got the resin dye in it, and then the blue glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna demold. Oh, look at that green butterfly. I'm just gonna demold that, and then I'll do the rest of them. I'll fix some of them up with the findings. And we'll see what we end up with. They're gonna be pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, not sure what I'll do with that. Maybe it's just a little thing to add on to a keychain or something. Okay, so I'm going to demold all these, and then I'll show you a picture of everything when it's done. And there they all are. How easy was that? I just put in, you know, the findings I got from Amazon. They turned out really pretty. I don't know if you can see the sparkles, but yeah, so easy. Good molds. I'll put links to the molds in my description.